In try this number 1, letter A, your variables should be M equals the number of marigolds and Z equals the number of zinnias. And you don't have to use M and Z. You could have chosen any letters you wanted. You just need to make sure that what they are explaining are the same thing. So some letter here, number of marigolds, some letter here, number of zinnias. Then your equation should say 1.5 M plus 2.5 Z is equal to 15. And again, if you had different variables here, those same variables should be represented in the same spots as the M and Z in part B. Then if we go to part C, in order to graph this, you need to label your axes. Again, you can label them however you want. I put Z here and M here, but you could have M on the top and Z going across on the horizontal. Then you should have found your Z-intercept. And if you found your Z-intercept correctly, Z is equal to 6. And your M-intercept, you should have gotten M is equal to 10. This actually was okay to go up by ones. And we get M-intercept to be right here. And then I went up by ones again on this axis. So our Z-intercept should be right here. And then make sure you draw that nice straight line in between. In part D, if you solved it, you should have gotten 3 zinnia plants. And in part E, remember we could have different answers for part E depending on how you labeled your axes. If you labeled your axes the same as me, you would have the point 10, 0 that you're looking at. Here's M and here's Z. And you would say you can buy 10 marigold plants if you buy 0 zinnia plants. If you labeled your axes the other way around, you should say you can buy 6 zinnia plants if you buy 0 marigold plants. So if your axes were switched, that's what it should say. If you have questions on any part of this, let me know. Otherwise, you can go on to the try this number 2 and then check your answer when you're done.